can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Theta Network. It's official, we're in an altcoin season. Altcoins are pumping front, left, and center. Historically, altcoin season is where you want to be if you're holding any altcoins. And right now, we've got into the first altcoin season of 2025. If you don't know what an altcoin season means, guys, if 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, it's an altcoin season. And in this video, we'll look at Theta's network valuation against the US dollar. How high can it go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Can we pull off a huge pump just like we saw in 2021? We'll also look at Theta's network's performance against Ethereum. Right now it's dumping to new lows. Will it continue losing value against Ethereum? Is there any bottom in sight? We'll look at Theta Network's market cap. Is there a possibility of a new all-time highs? And what are these critical levels we have to watch out for? Bitcoin dominance is dumping. All coins are pumping aggressively. How will that bode well for Theta Network in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Theta Network is just up 7.8% over the last 1 week, but the good news is that, guys, we're in altcoin season. Historically, altcoin season is where the magic happens. Altcoin season is where these altcoins shoot to the moon. Theta Network trades around $0.85. With a market cap of $851 million, we saw the all-time high coming in for this altcoin in 2021. 16th of April to be exact, we saw it trading for as high as $15.9 right now. Theta Network's token is down 94% from its all-time highs. All coins can be very volatile. All coins can pump aggressively to the moon, but then they can torture you with that dump to Goblin Town after Theta Network was launched somewhere in January of 2018. We saw a full bear market then. We saw it dumping aggressively to Goblin Town, losing around 86% of its value through the course of the bear market. But guys, when the real pump started, when we started going to the moon, the pump was fast, the pump was swift. We saw the Theta Network's token going from as low as $0.042. We saw it pumping to new all-time highs, finally finding a top around $15, rallying by more than 35,000% in just under 400 days. Volatility is your friend in the altcoin market. Altcoins are very volatile in both directions. In the bear market, that volatility works against you with a dump to Goblin Town, but that's where most of the gains are made, deep in the bear market, because if you buy in the bear market, you can sell in the top of the bull market. And Theta Network went from as low as the $0.04 level in the bear market, rallying to as high as $15 when the bull market came to an end. Remember, guys, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you want to sell for some sweet profits. Your number one job here is to buy as low as possible, to sell as high as possible, to buy when there's fear in the market, and to sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. Because, guys, if you don't sell when there's greed in the market, you eventually caught holding the bag deep down to Goblin Town. We saw Theta Network going from as high as $15 at the top of the bull market, dumping aggressively to Goblin Town, finally finding the bottom in this bear market around the $0.56 region. That's a 96% dump into Goblin Town. That's what happens in a bear market. A lot of these altcoins dump 90+%. If you have been in the cryptocurrency market long enough, you know that a 90% dump to Goblin Town is a gift from the gods. You have to accumulate down in Goblin Town if you believe in the project, because when the market turns, when we get to a bullish time in the market, huge pumps can come, and those huge pumps usually come very quickly. In the case of Theta Network, we have not been able to rally above the $3.5 level since the bottom of the bear market. The $3.5, $3.4 region is proving to be the line in the sand we need to blast above. We have tried multiple times. We tried in March of 2024. We got rejected there. We tried in December of 2024. We also got rejected there. The $3.3 to the $3.5 level. Very pivotal. If you look at what Theta Network has done through the years, we're pumping to new all-time highs. We took a chill pill around there. As started dumping to Goblin Town, we took a chill pill around there. And even before the huge dump to Goblin Town came in 2022, we saw Theta Network consolidating around that $3.3 region. In 2024, we got stopped out there. End of 2024, we rallied and stopped out there. I'll not be shocked if we just blast through the $3.31 region from where we're currently trading right now. For Theta Network's price to blast through there, we need to see more than a 289% pump to the upside. which is very, very possible, which can happen very, very quickly. Historically, most of the gains are made at the final phase of the market cycle. Right now, we're in altcoin season, which means we're getting very, very close to the end. Guys, and altcoin season means altcoins have been outperforming Bitcoin for over 90 days. If 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that's an altcoin season. After altcoin season comes that big dump to Goblin Town. So an altcoin season basically is an exit pump for all the big whales. I will not be shocked to see Theta Network outperforming over the next few days and the next few weeks. It's a new all-time high possible. It's always possible, but some resistance will come along the way. The $8 level too might prove to be very, very difficult for us to blast through. But if the pump is very, very aggressive as I expect it to be, then a new all-time high is always possible, which means from where we're currently trading right now, we could easily see Theta Network pump by more than 1,600%. And all this can easily happen in very, very short period of time. Over the next few days and the next few weeks, altcoin season continuing in full flow. You expect to see more altcoins pumping aggressively. You expect to see sentiment shift from neutral sentiments to greed. That's what happens at the end of the market cycle, guys. We see greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. We see a lot of market participants throwing risks out the window, throwing risk management out the window. They go risks on. We start seeing extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. That will be a telltale sign to sell. That will be a telltale sign to run for the hills, because at some point in time in future, there's definitely going to be a bear market. The bull market leads to the bear market. The bear market leads to the bull market. I strongly believe we're in the end of a wonderful bull market. If you want to buy some Theta Network tokens, you can get some on Binance, on Bybit, on Upbit, on OKX. And guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Theta Network tokens right there. Theta is a layer 1 blockchain and centralized infrastructure for video, AI, and entertainment use cases. If you look at Theta Network's performance against Ethereum, two sides to a wonderful story. We had a huge pump to the moon after it was launched in February of 2018. It was pumping aggressively against Ethereum, finally finding a top in March of 2021. And since then, we have seen it dumping aggressively to Goblin Town. Earlier in the video, I told you volatility is your friend in the altcoin market, but it can also be your enemy if you don't sell the top. The higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more market participants want huge gains. And after the top, we saw Theta Network's valuation against Ethereum dumping by 97%. Again, I told you guys the pump leads to the dump leads to a pump. I'll not be shocked if in the coming days and the coming week we see Theta Network performance against Ethereum go parabolic. A 200 to a 500% pump is possible. A lot of bears will get liquidated in that situation. And right now, with Bitcoin dominance dumping, which historically have always been good times for the altcoin market, I will not be shocked to see Theta Network pulling a crazy move over the next few days and the next few weeks. On the market cap situation, is the all-time high possible? Very well, an all-time high is possible, but we still need to pass that line in the sand. The $3 billion to the $3.5 billion level is proving difficult. If we rally past it, for us to get to new all-time highs, we want to see Theta Network give us a 1,700% pump to new all-time highs. For new all-time highs, we see Theta Network's market cap going past the $16 billion region. Crazier things have happened. 2021, we saw it getting $16 billion. Bitcoin was trading around just $69,000 then. Right now, Bitcoin trades above $116,000. I will not be shocked to see some crazy end of cycle pump. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Right now, altcoins are having a nice time on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame. When altcoin season, over the next few days, over the next few weeks, we will be selling your Theta Network token for some sweet profit. Do you believe a new all-time high is possible? How high do you see it going? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.